Two-step in this motherfucker.
Superstar.
Ratchet. Nigga, do you know what that means? She ratchet. Look at her sliding down the pole. Got that pussy popping to that new Keisha Cole. Fucking with my nigga Yak, know we brought a stack. Lil' mama getting loose like she trying to break her back. Got some money in my front pocket, more up in the back. I swat dope dick like a rookie quarterback. Nice ass, nice titties. Walk up on the stage, throw 4 or 5 fitties. Southern Cal fitted. Nigga fuck a snapback. Booty look fake, but I'm still trying to tap that. Dick game active, way above average. Lil' mama ratchet, a female savage. If I got it, then she getting what she want. So gon' bust it open like a blunt. Fellas lean back, grab your dick, treat it like a blunt. Make her ass do a split. And look at she ratchet, she R-A-T-C-H-E-T. If you nasty and you know it, go ahead and show it. I brought a little cash, I'ma go ahead and throw it. She ratchet, she R-A-T-C-H-E-T.
I'ma slide in this feline pussy club raw. They know my name, but my face is a mystery, y'all. Glow in the dark, rubber bands on my grands to glow. Going grand after grand, create a media show. I'm really at a strip club, so I'm doing the most. Smoking California Kingfish out of Monte Cristo. Pour out the crystal, Scooteroo, rest in peace, Dio. At the table, 4 buckets full of rose roll. Can't see Venom, Yak, Cogyak, they covered in hoes. The ratchet bitches see the table decorated in dough. First ratchet came out, nose was covered in coke. But I swear to the song, she was fucking the pole. Learn to wear sweats from Big Bruh, veteran zone. King Arthur and First King bitches getting it on. The Barbie Coast and Star bitches, they be paying off loans. But the crazy girls in hard bodies buying by zone.
Fellas lean back, grab your dick, treat it like a blunt. Make her ass do a split. And look at she ratchet, she R-A-T-C-H-E-T. If you nasty and you know it, go ahead and show it. I brought a little cash, I'ma go ahead and throw it. She ratchet, she R-A-T-C-H-E-T.
Downright ignorant, addicted to the drama and influenced by the silly shit. Catch her in the thick of it, in the club with a 50 sip, looking like some gelatin, ass just jiggling, holding nitroglycerin, nickname Stapleton. Out here rapping, say she looking for a gentleman, the type to get intimate, all the way into it. Ass in the air like a flare from a sinking ship. Her lip was on the label shit, home thinking lovely thoughts. She all on a nigga mattress, flipping like a somersault. Some electrifying pussy, it was something like a lightning bolt. A nymphomaniac, Yak was the antidote. In high school, a great pick, but now she's just a great diss. Appointment going on 35, working at the desk strip. 5 kids by 5 dicks, all looking busted, but she got Louis Vuitton, still living with her mom. Yes,
Fellas lean back, grab your dick, treat it like a blunt. Make her ass do a split. And look at she R-A-T-C-H-E-T. If you nasty and you know it, go ahead and show it. I brought a little cash, I'ma go ahead and throw it. She ratchet, she R-A-T-C-H-E-T. Ratchet.